Hey guys, so I had some extra Flex Seal left over from a project, so I wanted to see how it would do sealing up my shop shoes. Now my shop shoes here are some old hikers that I used to wear at my old job, and they were waterproof for about a year and a half, but now they've lost their waterproof. They've got some cracks and whatnot, as you can see. So I'm just curious if the Flex Seal will help them be waterproof again. Obviously they're dirty and old, but we'll see what happens there. I gotta clean them first though because they're super dirty, so let's get that done. So the shoes have been drying over 24 hours per the instructions on the can, so I'm going to go with a second coating. Alright, so looks like the shoes are done. We'll just grab them and toss them up here and take a look at them real quick. You can see we got good coverage around the back, and you can see it kind of has a kind of a texture to it. This is where the splits are. There's a little bit of a hole left and little bit of a slit left in there, but we'll see how that turns out. It actually doesn't look too bad for Flex Sealed shoes though, especially considering how junky and old they were looking. You can see it's kind of got a hole in there. Still, we'll see if that's sealed up or not. Checking this shoe here. This shoe looks even better. It does have, you can kind of see a crack there a little bit. Again, we'll have to see if that's sealed up or not. And then this side, it's got a hole in there, but it's flexible. It's living up to its name as far as, it's still flexible. Alright, let's lace them up. Alright, I did get some laces. Some brand new laces. The old ones were a little messed up there, so let's lace these up. Okay guys, so I've allowed the shoes to cure for several days, mostly because of my schedule, but today we're going to go out and find out if they're waterproof. I do have my doubts because I'm not sure if I had quite enough Flex Seal left over for this project, but I guess we're going to find out. so here's how we're gonna test it. Alright guys, so it actually didn't work as well as I had hoped. I think if I had had enough Flex Seal, it probably would have worked a little better. My feet are a little bit wet right now. I wore cotton socks so that I could feel pretty well whether or not they got wet. Unfortunately, I made the mistake of allowing some of the water to get in the top of my shoes, so that didn't help with the waterproofedness. They're definitely a lot better than they were. They don't leak nearly as much. There's just some stress points that you can tell where the leaking's coming from. As far as comfort, they're a little bit stiffer than they were when they were worn in, but I'm assuming that'll go away eventually. I'm still gonna wear these shoes because I think it definitely helped with water resistance, and I like the look of the Flex Seal on it. I like a little bit rugged look. So I'm still gonna wear them. I'm just not gonna be running in the ocean with them. Update. Well, it's been a few weeks and I've worn these shoes several times. Unfortunately, they're starting to show some cracks where the shoes flex a lot. Despite Flex Seal's name, I don't think it's meant for this kind of constant flexion. Maybe if I would have had several more coats, it would have kept this from happening, but then I'm guessing it would have been too stiff for the shoes to be very comfortable. If you have any suggestions that might help with improvement of my videos or have ideas for future topics, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. Otherwise, I hope you've enjoyed this video.